This is our video to show how to use our checkout system. These Kindles are in each room, and you can see who is in and checked in at that exact time. So the lists you see are the students that you should see in the classroom. Please make sure you are checking that those on the roster are sitting in your room. If you see a name that isn't in your classroom at that time, please use your walkie. Just push this side button and ask for one of the AR Kids team members. We can come and check and see if that student is actually missing. The kids in your class will have these name tags. They all have a vertical code on them. That's the kid code. When you are looking at checkouts, you're going to grab your Kindle, and parents will come and have the exact same code on their slip. This is a parent slip. Notice that it is horizontal, kids are vertical. So when a parent comes and maybe they don't have the check-in slip in their hand, they could also show you a picture of it. That is acceptable. The other thing that's acceptable is if they went to the AR Kids welcome desk and got this approved stamped code. It has to have the stamp. If they have a picture like this, that is not accepted. Please make sure that they have a stamped code or the actual parent slip. They are not allowed to take a picture of this code. If it is a vertical code that you are getting from the parent, we're not accepting that. Anybody could take a picture of a student's name tag and try to take them from your classroom. We are making sure that it is actually the parent slip. So when you are going to actually check out a student, so this is Alexander Hamilton, you just easily go to this side so you can see there are little boxes, and we're gonna click that box. Really quick note, this little symbol means that this kid has an allergy, allergic to nuts. This kid has asthma, tree nut allergy, so that's really cool addition to our Kindles. We are going to check out Alexander Hamilton by just clicking that box, and he is actually going to disappear in a minute. So notice it had a little lag. Please be aware of that because it's very easy to keep clicking and accidentally click someone else out. So just so you can see, it shows all of your kids right here, 5 kids, 2 adults, it says volunteer, and that's just an easy way to keep track of the kids in your classroom. Please reach out to the AR Kids staff if you have any further questions. Thank you.